Beautiful 2016 MKX. It is a reserve. Get all the features you want, including active park assist, lane keeping technology, adaptive cruise control with collision warning, power tailgate, of course, reverse sensing, backup camera, forward sensing, forward camera as well. Under 13,000 kilometers on it, so low kilometers. We do have power leather heated cooled front seats, big panoramic roof. Obviously voice navigation, remote entry, remote start. If you're looking for everything, this is the one you're going to want. Beautiful, you're going to find it. Brown Brothers Ford Lincoln 270 Southeast Marine Drive in Vancouver.